Okay, hi guys. So it's 12 midnight and I want to keep things a bit quiet, but I want to do a quick update video and show you guys the hardware build, the design. By the way, thanks for the likes and comments on my last video. I think the top comment was about the tail, which is funny because it's just a little spring. But yeah, currently filming from a new camera. It's my new GoPro Hero 12, so I hope the quality is good, at least better than my last camera, hopefully. So yeah, this is the under of the belly. I've mounted the legs on 4 load cells, as you can see. There's a load cell there, and there's one over there, and there's one over there. And over here is the main battery that powers the robot. Over here is the on and off switch. And on top here is the power bar. As you can see, there's 3 bars. Over here is the computer. It's a Windows computer, Latte Panda, which is going to drive the robot. And over here it's a cooling fan. And then probably the most interesting thing in the mouth is the speaker, which is going to produce sounds when I'm finished building. And over here is the front LiDAR, and behind it there's a Husky lens, which is like a little AI image recognition, object recognition camera. Over here on top is 4 LEDs on the ears. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Quick description of what the hardware is, the design. Most of it is 3D printed parts, and as you can see there. And these servos are actually not the best. As you can see, there's quite a bit of backlash, which is to be expected from low-cost servos. But yeah, that's it. That's it for the video, guys. Thanks for watching.